This we're looking at this one for a 225 to 235 break, one up to 270, almost halted. We're still watching it though. This one has almost halted two times. Got right there a few cents away. Maybe if we take a drink to it, that'll push it into that halt. So anyone that's doing this with me, let's do it. One, two, three. And cheers, everyone. Maybe that was what it needed to push to that next level. Come on, let's get that halt. Good job, everyone that entered that at 3. And again, scale profits just to be safe. You want to hold a little bit to see if we can push further. Your stop loss for the rest of your shares is under your entry point down there at 3. Come on, give me the halt. We're getting it. We're getting the halt. There we go. You guys know what that means. That is what I'm here for. Cheers, everyone. What a time to be alive. Everyone just banked on that. I know everyone was in that at 3. Good job, everyone. Yes, everyone that's doing this with me, record your shotgun, taking shots, whatever it is you're doing. Tag me on Twitter and I will retweet it. All right. I'm pretty bored right now, so shotgunning the halts. The market's moving very slowly right now. So I'm gonna say let's have another drink while we're bored. Cheers, everyone. And happy Friday. Also, I'm screen recording right now. This is a paper account that I'm just messing around in. So I don't want anyone on YouTube thinking that this is a real account that I'm losing money on. All right, at 10:23, Philip Flayton here in the Discord asked me to take a shot for him, so that's what we do. Philip, that one was for you. If I keep doing this, someone is going to have to bring a wheelbarrow over to my house and cart me out of here.